they are on the simple present ki danchores. These action words are also in the present simple present tense. Then the reacher the demba dochra. The data ani demba read the koya da chik dia diguni chi ro simple tenda tenda ni di so karina tichore simple present tense na tichores. This is chasa. The answer exercise to end. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. That sidu koya de la and it's diva de la kota kya shohas. Varsha always gets up. Ra Varsha dana michirwa. Always kadune langres. Kadu late on Sundays. Sanyama takwarishi kokare jilu chine langres. That namgila jela langro konsen round. Then you are the Rashmi and Chitan sometimes play child plays child this sometimes. Badminton in the evening. Right? Chido serious. Then Rashmi and mini chatera, Rashmi the Chitan chatera cheza, Chatsi played la karta horticanta, Rati and Joseph de la Taitahira. Then my sister loves chicken curry and rice. Ni pinga pumu ani chicken curry ra, chicken susha pegi, the subukin that the series to Yaraj, the rich down de la Kawues. That the sister Jirwa Chetan love timbe loves timbe. I loves it too. Maya de la Kawues. I de la Karimi se para manziro pichiang to play. De la tagi the man's korta genda. Then Shiva did the children wants to eat ripe mangoes. The children ana manziroa, child ana puchiroa, children ana mansiche, then a chassi kartaya. Chipuzo ani karsaya gavure tsugura, ripe lana tsuba. Tsushagyo suba lera. Then I reads story every night before going to bed. The I read stories. Nga gonda takwarshi manyingela ra, yema kungela, and table dumdeloguyus, dumreloguyus. Rohit goes to Uti every summer. Rohit di and Uti la sa niskasat. Yaga takwarshi stories. Cheza, Rohit michira, chazila eskyaumar, desanta. Something. Then exercise 2D. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the action words in the box. Daya chadzi tsiru koya la tsik rembadi tit konshoas tsik dizo koya yore trupshidinara. The box la na nganzu namgyu chichala kaldusa ro kochora tanda la box la di trupshidinrile kochwachira. Then Trupshina kardu write, visit, read, jog, go, play, speak, swim. Write lana chiba, visit lana jitetia, tagado. Read lana lopa, jog lana gyusha ta gyusha rama ne cha komba rama kyapche kimatla. Chikanzo luzitse toyachura. Denrich. Go lana doache, play lana tsimseo. Speak lana kijishewa, swim lana chukelwa. That hamudla teche, I visit my grandparents every Sunday. Nimu nga ane bobo mumu sanima takwarshi tugaduyes. My mother dashed to the market on Sundays. Nyamla khare sanima takwarshi thumla dugures. Ra dugure lade dina khagit. Ta dur lade chatsi latan minsi latan chatsi di gyuwa tangwa. Chatsi chebobo di chigina kacheore eskya koyache chebobo manzi ina eskya umiache. Didi so. Dine Mr. Gupta dash early in the morning. Ani kharsa Mr. Gupta lady midi Gupta lady khare chobangabu khajire ani dina khagile batwa jog lembato yana read land early in the morning swim dina pasta te load do ani chizan load da Mr. Gupta the read the michira cheza eske ora ditache early in the morning ngao lores tablores. Peter dash football at 8 a.m. every morning. Peter ye shobachu gevala shobachu geva takbarshi football sigires kanza board sigires. So they are the play yeah. Peter led michiro adelatane chasike gyurju da. Then ngawade Tanya dash a letter to her uncle every month. Tanya ye komorangi and ashainar awindela ani dawa takpa rishi igirere and kachire tigires ra right letter lana dire send letter ta tanda send name right letter ra so right di khare gyo tang orda ta near ra michi ro he dash on the telephone for hours ko ani kachire chuzu khazati khabar na la chuzu yeji shire le ko jidang shi yero chiten kora dat so khare he speak dia speak ramya che he jela khare chatsi de gyo ora kalana he chikro Payal and I dash in the pool every day Payal dangani ani nyandarishi ani pool na swimming pool leira swimming pool chukesa dala chukelgire leira cheza many na chatsi ka chora Maya dash the newspaper regularly Maya ikhare ale tadila read rudo Mr Gupta dikhachasu jog chasta tisara jog de tangi chile masa Mr Gupta ikhare shobango jogging do re le jarangsu jog do re ondesta so Maya dash the newspaper regularly regularly lana nyendarishi la khochora tendeji newspaper logres ra Maya chigre read tiga khachota hai Exercise 3D Complete these sentences with the correct forms of action words in the bracket. Tadinashigi chatsi dinzo khare tsidu dinzo koyala chatsi remba dinzo dina yukenzo. Gupta ne yukenzo tang gyan das. Pena Malini does her homework at 4 in the afternoon. Ra chuzu ningu yap chuzu shiwala moranta parishi nangle chigires. Do dikhachiso does. Then she dash her milk. 다들 거치당하게 가르치게 메로지. 예, 니더로지라 니다르 치게로지 고시다. drink the 미치나 가져올 때 된다. 되나시 자치치기로 미치로 치게 되죠지. 다들 페이지에 디시 마야나 티서로 샌드위치라는 사야지다. 먼저 봉부리요라. 다는 브레드 레이라 브레드 니 파라라 세로로 된들라 샌드위치 레이라. 되네 심바치카고 하도 ne hamago ne kemdura ta khatta to khalta ore chab chibo bolta che chazi la kharigyo la churati ta shiva the complete the sentences with the correct forms of the action words in the bracket chibo chikyanta yan tsiru zu koala chi divatera remba chazi remba di kaza buta ne kenzo remba chishoas the sun rises in the east ra nimadi shachona shargires so ko thita dimbajita yan chi demba imbachila shashani anzogi khare simple present nathira dinashi cows lana mangsi che cats lana mangsi the tortoise lana new chichi the deer lana chichi april lana chichi chatera coupler lana judo zemnyani ba the deer che chachi jama hama gonda crow lana corn do hedra khazang zu sai ba man lana subji kya ra chasu che ba the biji gele di chi thore wa yada now write 6 sentences about what you do every evening tepe akoda suzu chidu thenda da khatisho kera chidu thuk thishwas keran chidu takparishi kharichi yes ra tena ko chuna I dash every evening khachere I go for walk every evening la chore tini mambola chore